Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire 11060S Auto Ranging Multimeter, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The 11060S is designed for a wide range of testing applications. The rugged design features 1000 volt overload protection on all ranges and an IP67 rated double molded housing that is water resistant and dust tight. The Cat 4 600 volt safety rating allows for use in high power circuits such as main distribution panels and service entrances. Added features include a large backlit display, temperature and frequency functions, and capacitance for testing motor starter and run capacitors. A magnet and Velcro strap are included for hanging the meter onto metal equipment doors. The 11060S comes complete with instructions, test leads, temperature probe, battery, and storage case. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.